Sa add product function, ito ay nagsisimula sa pamamagitan ng pagpapakita ng prompt sa user para sa detalye ng bagong produkto. Una, hinihiling nito na ang ID ng produkto kapag ang user ay nag-input ng isang numero. Ito ay sinisigurado na ito ay tama gamit ang int.tryParse function na kung saan hindi tama ang input. Ito ay pinapaalala sa user na mag-input ng numero. Pagkatapos ng ID, ang sumusunod na hakbang ay hilingi sa pangalan ng product at presyo nito, kapareho ng ID. Ito rin ay sinusuri kung ito ay tama na numero gamit ang double.tryParse function. Kapag natapos na ang user na mag-input ng mga detalye, ang mga produkto ay idadagdag sa listahan ng mga produkto sa pamamagitan ng paggamit ng products.add function. Pagkatapos nito, ang function ay maglalabas ng mensahe sa user na nagpapatunay na ang product na matagumpay na idinagdag. Sa product remove function naman, una, nitong sinusuri kung mayroong product sa listahan. Kung walang product, ito ay nagpapakita lamang ng mensahe sa user na walang produkto na maalis. Kung mayroong mga product, hinihiling nito na ang ID product na gusto alisin. Pagkatapos sa pag-input ng ID, ito ay sinusuri kung ito ay tama gamit ang int.tryParse function. Kung hindi tama ang input, ito ay magpapakita ng mensahe sa user na humihiling ng tamang ID. Kapag ang tamang ID ay binigay, ito ay hinahanap sa listahan ng mga produkto. Kung natagpuan ito, ay tinatanggal gamit ang product.remove at functions. Kung hindi naman ito ay nagpapakita ng mensahe na ang produkto ay karampatang ID ay hindi matagpuan. Kaugnay pa rito, ang remove product function ay nagbibigay daan din sa pagtukoy ng product na nais alisin sa pamamagitan ng paghanap nito sa listahan gamit ang findIndex function. Ito ay isang epektibong paraan upang matukoy na tamang produkto na may karampatang ID na nai-input ng isang user. Sa ganitong paraan, tinutugunan nito ang pangangailangan para sa tamang paghanap at pagmamanage ng data. Sa kabuuan, ang add product at remove product function ay mahalaga. Sa pamamahala ng system ng products, ang mga ito ay nagbibigay daan sa user na magdagdag at mag-alis ng mga product na maayos at mabilis na magreresulta ng mas epektibong proseso sa pagmamahala ng data at paggamit ng system.
Provide list by the sorting the product list by the name either in ascending or descending order. It uses LINQS product. It uses the method order by and the order by descending method to perform the sorting. If there is products in the list, it proceeds to display them, displaying the products are being listed. Then, it iterates over product objects in the product list using for each loops. If the products list is empty, if there are no products in the list, it prints no product found and returns exiting the method. After printing all products, the method completes and the program control returns to the main menu, allowing the user to choose another action, like ascending order or he like to remove products and other. In the case 4, when the user select to sort the products by name in ascending order, the sort products by name methods is called sorting the products. If the list if the list is not empty, it proceeds with the sorting process. It uses LINQ order by method to sort the products by either names in ascending order. The sorted list in ascending assigned to back to provides first the variable additional. It prints a message confirming the products have been sorted by name in ascending order. It is easy to tell the user if the products are descending or ascending. It begins by checking the products list is empty. If it is, it prints no products to the sort. After checking the products is on the list, it iterates over each product object in the product list using for each loop. After printing all the products, the method completes and the program control returns to the main menu, allowing in the users to choose another one. In the case 4, inserting the products in the list, if the list is not empty, it proceeds with the sorting process. It uses order by method to sort products by name and ascending order. Additionally, it prints a message confirming that the products have been sorted by the name in ascending order. It begins by checking the product list is empty. It prints no products to sort and returns from the method. This method sorts the products alphabetically by their names in ascending orders, providing a way for user to view the products in more organized manner. In the case 5, when the user selects to sort the products by name in descending order, the sort products by name false method is called just like in ascending order sorting case. It begins by checking if the products list is empty and it prints no product sort and exit. But if the products is on the list, the sorted list is assigned back to products list involved. It prints message confirming the products have been sorted by name in ascending order. After sorting, the sorted list is displayed to the users. The method completes and control returns to the main menu, allowing the user to choose another action. And the case 5 is exiting the all program. This method this program provides basic functionalities to manage products such as adding, removing, listing, and sorting them by name. It continuously prompts the users with a menu until they choose exits the program.